spent a lot of time at the university, and I found it fascinating to see where the research has gone with this stuff. Two of the things that I saw that were interesting were they're using Hadoop, they're using 1,000 Amazon cloud machines, and they're basically taking social media sites and using them as a database. And then they're creating the intelligence to actually read posts and figure things out. So one was this one lady did this exercise where they're able to say, predict what's the next shoe that's going to be popular for women. Or another professor there was looking at the metadata on on photography and tracking the patterns of people walking through cities. So you start to know where the tourists are walking and where should you be advertising. So I find that stuff really fascinating, and I see that applying to our sector.
There's a ton of opportunity as a transit organization and as part of a city.
Yeah.
I mean, you look at some of the things we've seen on the discussions surrounding big data and taking unstructured data, but more importantly, and I don't know if we talked about it, but grabbing data from outside, as well as the data from inside, to say, you know, what's being said on Facebook about something that's going on from our scheduling perspective or from our timing and workforce perspective. But just talking about the power of what the public is doing and the fact that there's so much that can be consumed. I mean, we had a problem with a streetcar that derailed and was blocking an intersection last year, 2 years ago. We had aerial photos. Like, where would we get those? You know, where would the city or the TTC get aerial photos? Somebody from a building was taking aerial photos of what was going on, and they were posting them. And we were using those to manage the traffic. And so, I mean, the public's helping us manage this. That's wonderful. It's a great thing, right? But, you know, the idea that somebody would think of that, we should be asking people to do more of it.